Maria, sono Frigintini. Sto per preparare le focacce.
91-year-old Maria lives in Frigintini with her daughter Georgia. It's early spring and the women like to forage for wild chard called ita in Sicilian.
Quelle più grandi si buttano, quindi
Sì, sì, quelle dure.
Dura.
E come si chiama questa erba?
Aita.
Come si chiama?
La ita
Ida in dialetto, bieta.
del rosso.
Bieta selvatica.
She's using it as a filling to make stuffed focaccia called Buccatedda. Maria is under 5 foot tall and she likes to set her pasta board between 2 chairs, not on a table, for more comfortable kneading. This is 500 grams of durum wheat flour or semolina macinata. Maria makes a well in it and pours in about 50 ml of olive oil and 250 ml of water, along with a pinch of salt. She makes a dough and kneads it until it is smooth. Maria covers it while she makes the 3 fillings for her scacce. Scacce is the Sicilian word for focaccia. First she slices 2 onions.
Ogni quanto le fa le scacce?
Devo fare un po' nel mese. Quando mi capita subito. A me 4 non ci metto. Quando che sui 6 già sono sciornate.
Quando le fa di solito? Per delle feste speciali o quando vuole?
No, non voglio. Quando sapete che ma figli, a farlo 4 scacci. E poi
She softens the pieces in olive oil. She seasons everything with salt.
La sua cosa preferita da mangiare?
ma so che darei, mi immagino.
Che cosa?
I lenticci, favi, la fasola, la pisella.
Maria scoops half onto a plate to use with another filling. Georgia meanwhile empties a bottle of Maria's homemade passata into the pan and leaves it to simmer until it reduces to a thick sauce.
Questa passata di pomodoro da dove viene?
Fatta in casa.
Fatta in casa.
La fa lei, in estate la fa lei.
Anche la ricotta. L'hanno fatta ieri, ma nipoti me l'hanno portata ieri sera.
Ricotta anche fatta in casa.
Meanwhile, Maria mashes some cow's milk ricotta. She adds the reserved onions, a little more olive oil, and then mixes everything together. She skins and crumbles a pork sausage. Sicilian sausages always include some fennel seed and chili pepper. She mixes everything so the sausage meat is evenly distributed. This is filling number 1.
Questo ho preparato stamattina per essere fredda.
Maria made this tomato sauce earlier. She adds grated caciocavallo cheese, some sausage meat and gives it a stir. This is filling number 2. Filling number 3 is for the buccatedda. This is a mixture Maria has made of chopped sun-dried tomato, basil and garlic. It's called capuliato. Maria adds 3 generous tablespoons to her ready-cooked wild chard, followed by some sausage meat, and gives it a stir. The 3 fillings are now ready.
Questa l'ho fatta stamattina e poi viene sposata la pasta.
Next, Maria rolls out a circle of dough about 25 centimetres in diameter and about half a centimetre thick. She heaps some of the chard mixture onto one half and dribbles a little olive oil over the top. Maria pulls the other half over the mixture and crimps the half-moon edge. This calzone style is always used for buccatedda, and they have a different shape to other scacce. She places the buccatedda on a baking paper lined tin and bakes it in a 200°C oven for around 30 minutes. Maria turns her attention to the other scacce. She rolls out some dough to a much bigger circle. This is about 50 centimetres in diameter. Maria spreads the ricotta mixture over the top so it's properly covered. She folds top and bottom to the centre and turns the side over to form a rectangle. She adds a little bit more of the filling to the half that's further away, then folds the nearer half over it. The roll is too big for her tray, so she divides it in 3. She beats an egg and gives the pieces a wash for a lovely shiny finish. They go into the oven for around 20 minutes.
Quanto sta a cuocere?
4 ore.
Maria slices some provola cheese. She smears the tomato and sausage mixture over her rolled out dough and then scatters the cheese pieces over the top. She finishes it with a little olive oil and rolls it up in the same way as she did for the ricotta scacce. Georgia divides it in 3 and gives them an egg wash. She puts the tomato scacce in to bake. And now for a fun extra. With the leftover dough, there's a treat for children which is often made by and for them. It's called cucca. Maria makes a thick rope of dough. She chops up some cheese. She slices the rope not quite all the way through, down its entire length. Georgia then alternates bits of cheese and sausage along the dough, which she then rolls up to form a spiral. It looks a little bit like a flower. These are the last to go in the oven. The scacce are ready when the dough is crisp and golden. Maria likes these so much she makes them for herself, not just when people ask her. Posso?
Sì, sì.
This is the one I'm looking forward to. This is
Così.
this.
Sì.
Okay.
Com'è? Sa. Bellissimo.
Grazie, molto molto buono.
Buona, buona.
Very, very good. So, light, crunchy, oniony. I mean, you should try these. These are really, really good. Grazie, Maria. And cheesy.
Belle. They are all absolutely delicious. Grazie Maria e buon appetito. Click subscribe for regular helpings of pasta grannies and come back next week when Giuseppina makes Sicilian timballo.